Hi, happy May. So we have May Ipsy and this one is for 2018. This is my first bag. I have not received my second one, so we're gonna review the first one first and then we will do another video. Also, I also do with my two bags the whole makeup, so I will do a makeup look based on my two bags that I get during the month. Also, I do Ipsy versus Ipsy, so continue watching and you're gonna see a lot more. Also, coming up will be the $10 subscription a month and the $15 subscription. So let's get started. I have the box here. I have seen a preview of how the little bag looks and I think it's adorable. So maybe in person it's not that adorable because I don't know. So that's it. And we have the box. Yay! It has this cute little Ipsy there. And the color is really cute. It's really light. I'm surprised. And it has all those stems, like if you travel the whole countryside. Okay. So even the little zipper is kind of cute. So let's see. What do we have? The first thing we have is skincare so natural is safe enough to eat. Aloe vera juice, shea butter, olive oil. We are passionate about creating products about feel great and that you can feel great about using. So this is a GB, a moisturizer with microalgae. We're gonna be sampling that one. So stay tuned for the box where I actually, the video that I actually try all my products. So here it is, one of them. And the next thing is a little card. We have the second thing is the Ofra. Nice, this is a nice color. Let's swatch it, but I'm not gonna try it on because we're gonna try it on. It smells like candy. Right there. It looks really nice. And we'll see what makeup look comes out of it. Then we have the Style Sepia Touch in Soul French Garden Gel Liner with Diamond. So that one right there, and that one, let's see. It's not really black, it's kind of like grayish, I would say, or like, yeah, grayish with glitter or something. So it doesn't say the name of it. So yeah, it's made in Korea. So that's the vibrating control. Sorry guys. This keeps on not focusing. Are you focused? There. And then we have this mascara, Douce. There's mascara right there. And then the next thing we have is this Tarte. Nice, Tarte Smoothing Operator. Amazonian Clay Finish. Wow, that's cool. I've been wanting to try this thing. Everybody really says good things about it. And it has that little thing, instead of like the plastic tabs that they usually create for this kind of thing, it actually comes off and on really easy. Now that I said easy, it's not coming off, of course. Okay, let me see. Okay, there. So you take it out and you put it back on. Great. I will be trying all of these soon. So what do you guys think about this box? This is a $10 a month. It's only $10. So I think I got like 2.5 full sizes, which is good. I hope you guys like this. Give it a thumbs up. I will see you on my next video. Bye.